The Learning Indaba is back. Bigger, bolder, and more inspiring than ever. A place where creative minds connect, collaborate, and reimagine the future of learning. What started as a simple idea to bring passionate educators, HR professionals, and learning innovators together has grown into a movement.
My name is Michael Hanley from New Leaf Technologies. I am the founder of the Learning Indaba event. It's a community-led initiative where we try and enhance the possibility of education and access to education across the continent, not only in South Africa, but abroad as well.
This is a community with one shared purpose: to make learning more accessible, more engaging, and more human. Because here, knowledge isn't just shared, it's experienced.
So it's really to upskill people, get them interested and excited about education and learning online, because we think that's going to make a big difference in society.
And that's exactly what the Learning Indaba is about: igniting curiosity and sparking meaningful change through conversation, creativity, and collaboration. This year, we invite you to lift the hood on innovation, exploring the latest trends, emerging technologies, and transformative approaches shaping tomorrow's learning landscape. Whether you're attending online or in person, the Learning Indaba 2026 is your chance to be part of something bigger, to connect with ideas and people that will shape how we learn, grow, and lead. Tickets are available now. Secure your spot and be part of the conversation that's redefining learning.